Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to empower you with valuable knowledge to achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we'll explore the top 10 passive income ideas that can transform your financial situation and pave the way to a life of abundance. Whether you're looking to diversify your income or escape the 9-to-5 grind, these passive income ideas can be your ticket to financial independence. So, let's begin. The number one passive income idea is real estate investing. Real estate has long been considered a solid investment option. By purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, you can generate a steady stream of rental income. The demand for rental properties in general remains strong, providing an excellent opportunity for investors to build a portfolio of income-generating assets. Number 2 is dividend investing. This strategy revolves around investing in dividend-paying stocks or dividend-focused funds, providing you with a consistent stream of passive income. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings that are distributed to its shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. By owning shares of reputable companies that regularly pay dividends, you can participate in their financial success and earn a steady income over time. Number 3 is peer-to-peer lending. Another fantastic way to generate passive income is through peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, also known as peer-to-peer lending, is a method where individuals lend money to others through online platforms, cutting out traditional financial institutions. It's a win-win situation for both borrowers and lenders. One of the main advantages of peer-to-peer lending is the potential to earn higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. As a lender, you have the opportunity to earn interest on the loans you provide, which can significantly boost your passive income. Number 4 is high-yield savings accounts. If you prefer a low-risk approach to generating passive income, high-yield savings accounts can be an excellent choice. These accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow over time. One of the primary advantages of high-yield savings accounts is the increased interest rate they offer. While traditional savings accounts typically offer interest rates that barely keep up with inflation, high-yield savings accounts provide significantly higher rates. This means that your money can grow at a faster pace, allowing you to accumulate more wealth over time. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Moving on, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you have a website or a strong online presence, affiliate marketing can be an incredibly lucrative passive income stream. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The first step in affiliate marketing is to find the right affiliate programs to join. Look for programs that align with your niche or target audience. For example, if you have a fitness blog, you could join affiliate programs for fitness equipment, supplements, or workout plans. Research reputable affiliate networks or reach out directly to companies with affiliate programs. Once you've chosen the affiliate programs, it's time to promote the products or services. Start by creating valuable and engaging content that educates or entertains your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, or video tutorials. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship transparently to maintain trust with your audience. Number 6 is digital products. Are you skilled in graphic design, programming, or content creation? If so, creating and selling digital products can be an excellent way to earn passive income. The digital realm offers endless opportunities, from ebooks and online courses to stock photography and software. You can leverage your expertise and creativity to produce high-quality digital products that cater to the needs of your target audience. By marketing and selling these products through online platforms and marketplaces, you can establish a sustainable source of passive income while reaching a global customer base. Number 7 is royalties. Did you know that you can earn passive income through royalties? If you have creative talents like writing, music production, or even inventing, you can license your work and earn royalties from its usage or sales. Royalties are ongoing payments that you receive whenever your work is used, whether it's a book being sold, a song being streamed, or a patented invention being manufactured and sold. This means that you can continue to earn money from your creative efforts long after the initial work is done, providing a consistent source of passive income. By protecting your intellectual property and strategically licensing it, you can tap into the power of royalties to secure your financial future while focusing on your creative pursuits. Number 8 is YouTube and podcasting. Speaking of creative outlets, Creating YouTube videos or hosting a podcast can be an incredibly rewarding passive income source, especially with the growing popularity of online content consumption. By consistently producing high-quality and engaging videos or podcasts, building a loyal audience, and effectively monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture that provides you with passive income streams for years to come. Number 9 is investing in index funds. Index funds are an excellent passive income option, particularly for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. By investing in index funds, you can gain exposure to a diversified portfolio that tracks a specific index, such as the FTSE 100 or the London Stock Exchange All-Share Index, which includes a wide range of companies listed in the UK. This strategy eliminates the need for extensive research and individual stock selection, as the index fund automatically mirrors the performance of the underlying index. By investing in index funds, you can benefit from the overall growth of the market and potentially earn passive income through capital appreciation and dividends. Additionally, index funds are known for their low management fees, making them a cost-effective option for long-term investors. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned investor, index funds offer a reliable and straightforward way to build wealth over time, while minimizing the risks associated with individual stock picking. The number 10 is building an online business. The internet has revolutionized the way we conduct business, and leveraging its power can open doors to tremendous opportunities for generating passive income. Whether you choose to venture into dropshipping, e-commerce, or creating a software-as-a-service (SaaS) platform, establishing an online business can be a game-changer for your financial future. Therefore, here are the top 10 passive income ideas for achieving financial freedom. Remember, building multiple streams of passive income takes time, effort, and dedication. But once you lay the foundation, these income streams can work for you, allowing you to enjoy financial freedom and the lifestyle you desire. Which passive income idea resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, stay focused, stay driven, and keep on the path to financial freedom.